Skytrain is a Vancouver's rapid transit system. You'll see gates with green lights. You'll need a compass card or a one-time ticket to board. Don't go through the wrong way. Tap the card onto the reader and pass when the gate opens. Respect the line and wait behind it to keep distance between oncoming train. When the door opens, look for an open seat. Put your backpack on your lap. Don't be this guy. To leave the station, you will need to tap at the gate again. Let me show you how. That is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Namaste.